Hey, if you cannot receive your incoming calls on the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, let me show you how you can try to fix this. I just find 3 ways how we can do this so quickly. The first one, there's like big chance that you synchronize the do not disturb mode of your phone with your watch. So take a look. When you open the Mi Fitness application, open a device, and now scroll down, you can find this function, the do not disturb mode. So now when you turn on the do not disturb mode on your phone and enable this function, you will actually get the do not disturb mode on your watch, so you will don't receive notification. So just be sure that you turn off the do not disturb mode synchronized right here, and also turn it off on your phone and on your watch. But if this doesn't help you and you still cannot receive incoming calls, just go into the device one more time, open this incoming calls, and be sure that you enable this option, the vibration, and that's basically it. So now when there's like any incoming call, you will actually feel vibration on your device. And also just be sure that you turn off the silent mode on your smartphone. So everything is connected, and you will have to go into the settings on your smartphone, and in most cases you can find it in the sound settings. So in my case, there's like no silent mode right here, but I can actually find it by clicking on the volume button, and as you can see from here, there's like silent mode right now. Turn it on. So all of my stuff will be simply turned off, the ring volume for example. So be sure that you actually activate the normal sound mode and also turn off this do not disturb mode like this. And if this doesn't help you, I can recommend you to perform the hard reset of your watch. So how it works, you have to simply double tap on the screen to turn it on, then swipe up, go into the settings. Now you will have to go into the system and now select reset, and simply get back all of the default settings on your watch and connect it one more time with your smartphone. Additionally, you can also check on your watch for the notifications. Just be sure that that all of the switches are turned on. Maybe not this one. So this one actually turn it off. And also you can be sure that the do not disturb mode is turned off, as I said before. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.